Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Electra. In today's video, we will develop a ladder logic program in MicroLogix 5000 based on specific conditions for 4 lamps controlled by 2 switches. Let's begin by understanding the logic. We have 2 switches, S1 and S2, and 4 lamps, L1, L2, L3, and L4. Each lamp has a different condition for turning on and off. We will implement this logic step by step in RSLogix 5. First, let's program lamp L1. The requirement is that L1 should glow when switch S1 is turned on and turn off when S1 is turned off. This is a straightforward direct control where we use S1 as a normally open contact in series with the output L1. Next, let's move on to lamp L2. L2 should not glow when S2 is on, but should glow when S2 is off. To achieve this, we use S2 as a normally closed contact in series with the output L2. When S2 is off, the normally closed contact remains true and L2 will turn on. When S2 is on, the contact opens, turning L2 off. Now, let's implement lamp L3. L3 should glow when both switches S1 and S2 are on simultaneously. This means we need to use 2 normally open contacts of S1 and S2 in series. If both switches are on, the rung becomes true and L3 turns on. Finally, let's program lamp L4. L4 should glow when either S1 or S2 is on. For this, we will use 2 normally open contacts of S1 and S2 in parallel. If any of the switches is on, the rung becomes true and L4 turns on. Now, let's move to RSLogix 5000 and implement the logic. Open RSLogix 5000, create a new project, and add the input and output tags. Assign addresses for S1, S2, L1, L2, L3, and L4. Next, we will create 4 rungs according to our condition. For the first rung, place a normally open contact for S1 in series with L1. For the second rung, place a normally closed contact for S2 in series with L2. For the third rung, place 2 normally open contacts of S1 and S2 in series with L3. For the fourth rung, place 2 normally open contacts of S1 and S2 in parallel with L4. After programming, verify the logic and download the program to the PLC. Now test each condition. Turn on S1 and check if L1 turns. Turn off S1 and confirm L1 turns off. Turn on S2 and confirm L2 remains off. Turn off S2 and check if L2 turns on. Turn on both S1 and S2 and check if L3 glows. Turn off any switch and confirm L3 turns off. Turn on either S1 or S2 and verify if L4 glows. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Electra for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.